Tim and I have been trying to weld aluminum. It didn't go that well. I've decided to restart the arm. I have some ways that's going to make it a lot more structurally sound, and it'll go together in a much more logical way. So here is the one I made and the one I was working on, and right now I have this really goofy way. These parts, there's going to be little things on here that went together, and a bolt was going to seat through here. And I realized that's a really foolish way to do this. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to have it cut just flat here, and then the exact same cut down here, and then running in between them this way will be two pieces of flat stock that have keyways cut in and holes, and they'll slide over, and the hole will go through the bolt will go through both layers into a bolt that's held underneath, or into a nut that's held underneath. So two layers come together and a bolt goes through the two holes and attaches to a nut that will be super glued or some kind of method of attachment on the other side. So that's why I'm going to do an attempt 2 on the arm. That's what I'm going to do now. Also, I've decided I'm going to break each of the parts up into more constituents. On the torso, it's going to be, the shoulder girdle is going to be its own piece. It's all going to be part. Then those are all going to go into that's going to be one piece, the shoulder girdle. The torso is going to be one piece. The lumbar is going to be one piece. The pelvis is going to be one piece. Probably not 2 at the hip. I don't think that's necessary. Probably just 1 there. And then the head and the neck. And then those will all be combined into one file called the trunk. And then onto that will go onto the arm. And inside the arm will be other files that are the upper arm, the forearm, and the hand. And then on the leg, it'll be the upper thigh and the shank. The foot will be just in part of the shank. So I've decided, this is how I initially thought about it. I'm going back to it. So I think it's a better way to do things. That's how I'm going to do it. You guys are great. If you're watching this for the first time, smash the subscribe button. Peace.